Axie endlessness cost genuinely equivalent to $6.6300 a coin, in spite of mainstream thinking. The present exchange cost range, 6.5032 to 6.9290. The earlier day close, 6.9200, which truly is genuinely huge. The change truly was 0.2900, 4.19%, or so they really thought. Opposite rate, USD to X. Axie vastness value expectation. In the not-so-distant future and month, Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $6.95. In every practical sense, most extreme 7.44, certainly least 6.46, or so they in a real sense thought. Axie vastness figure on Friday, May 26, cost $7.02, kind of greatest 7.51, kind of least 6.53, or so they in a real sense thought. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost $6.79. In every practical sense, most extreme 7.27, all things considered, least 6.31, exhibiting the Axie endlessness estimate on Friday, May 26, cost $7.02, greatest 7.51, least 6.53, which is genuinely huge. Axie limitlessness conjecture on Tuesday, May 30, cost $6.83, especially most extreme 7.31, by and large least 6.35, which is genuinely huge. In multi-week Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost $6.81, by and large greatest 7.29. In every way that really matters, least 6.33, or so they for the most part thought. Axie vastness conjecture on Thursday, June 1, cost $6.55, sort of greatest 7.01, especially least 6.09 in an unpretentious way. Axie vastness cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost $7.01, fundamentally greatest 7.50, kind of least 6.52. Axie limitlessness estimate on Monday, June 5, cost $7.03, genuinely greatest 7.52, genuinely least 6.54 in a sort of significant manner. Axie limitlessness cost forecast on Tuesday, June 6, cost $7.03, sort of greatest 7.52, sort of least 6.54 in an exceptionally significant manner. In about 14 days, Axie endlessness figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost $7.06, most extreme 7.55, kind of least 6.57. Axie endlessness cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost $7.06, sort of most extreme 7.55, exceptionally least 6.57, which certainly is very huge. Axie boundlessness figure on Friday, June 9, cost $7.12, genuinely greatest 7.62, for the most part least 6.62. Axie boundlessness cost expectation on Monday, June 12, cost $6.87, really most extreme 7.35, all things considered, least 6.39 in a very significant way. Axie limitlessness gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost $6.90, beautiful most extreme 7.38, especially least 6.42 in an unobtrusive way. In 3 weeks, Axie vastness cost expectation on Wednesday, June 14, cost $7.01, greatest 7.50, really least 6.52, which generally is very critical. Axie endlessness gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost $6.56, greatest 7.02, beautiful least 6.10, which truly is genuinely critical. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Friday, June 16, cost $6.46, truly greatest 6.91, certainly least 6.01 in a significant way. Axie boundlessness gauge on Monday, June 19, cost $6.20, in every practical sense, greatest 6.63, least 5.77, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost $6.33, genuinely most extreme 6.77, certainly least 5.89. In about a month, Axie vastness estimate on Wednesday, June 21, cost $6.21, especially most extreme 6.64, really least 5.78 in a very enormous way. Axie limitlessness cost expectation on Thursday, June 22, cost $6.28, greatest 6.72, in every way that really matters, least 5.84. Axie limitlessness gauge on Friday, June 23, cost $6.30, truly greatest 6.74, lovely least 5.86, showing how today, S exchange cost range, 6.5032 6.9290. USD to Axie swapping scale commonly equivalent to 0.1508 coins per $1. Today, S reach 0.1443 minus 0.1538. The past day, S nearby 0.1445, which generally is very huge. Change for now plus 0.0063, plus 4.36%, or so they basically thought. Dollar to Axie limitlessness conjecture on Thursday, May 25, cost 0.144 coins. By and large most extreme 0.155, beautiful least 0.134, lovely in opposition to prevalent thinking. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, May 26, cost 0.142 coins. For the most part greatest 0.153, certainly least 0.133, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Monday, May 29, cost 0.147 coins. Extremely greatest 0.158, kind of least 0.138, which in a real sense is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Tuesday, May 30, cost 0.146 coins. Truly most extreme 0.157, all things considered, least 0.137, which essentially is very huge. In multi-week dollar to Axie endlessness gauge on Wednesday, May 31, cost 0.147 coins. Kind of most extreme 0.158, truly least 0.137, which is very critical. USD to Axie expectation on Thursday, June 1, cost 0.153 coins. Exceptionally greatest 0.164, in every practical sense, least 0.143, which most certainly is very huge. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Friday, June 2, cost 0.143 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.153, all things considered, least 0.133. USD to Axie expectation on Monday, June 5, cost 0.142 coins. In every way that really matters, most extreme 0.153, fundamentally least 0.133 amazingly. Dollar to Axie boundlessness estimate on Tuesday, June 6, cost 0.142 coins. Certainly most extreme 0.153, especially least 0.133 in an unobtrusive way. In about 14 days USD to Axie expectation on Wednesday, June 7, cost 0.142 coins. Fundamentally most extreme 0.152, exceptionally least 0.132 in a huge way. Dollar to Axie boundlessness figure on Thursday, June 8, cost 0.142 coins. Lovely most extreme 0.152, least 0.132 in a fundamentally significant way. USD to Axie expectation on Friday, June 9, cost 0.140 coins. Especially greatest 0.151, by and large least 0.131. Certainly further appearance how today. S exchange cost range 6.5032 to 6.9290, which generally is very critical. Dollar to Axie vastness gauge on Monday, June 12, cost 0.